case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2012 case of Hughes v. New Life Development Corp., homeowners sued a developer over the existence of implied restrictive covenants on undeveloped land. The dispute began after the death of the president of the original developer. The Tennessee trial court initially granted the developer a judgment on the pleadings, and the homeowners appealed. The Court of Appeals remanded the case, requiring the plat for the subdivision to support the existence of implied restrictive covenants. In response to the court's decision, the Homeowners Association amended its charter and covenants to address issues identified by the Court of Appeals. The trial court consolidated the two suits and granted the developer a summary judgment. The case was again appealed, and the Court of Appeals remanded the case a second time to determine if the amendments were reasonable and if the plat supported the existence of implied restrictions. The Tennessee Supreme Court ultimately rejected the Court of Appeals' decision to subject amendments to a reasonableness test and decided that there was no basis for implied restrictive covenants arising from the plot or general plan of development. The court viewed restrictive covenants as contracts, subject to examination under contract law. As a result, the Supreme Court affirmed the trial court's order, dismissed the homeowners' complaints, and the costs were taxed to the homeowners. The Court of Appeals' judgment remanding the case for further proceedings on the reasonableness of amendments and determining the basis for implied restrictive covenants was vacated.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.